Welcome back to 10 Slide Info. We all know that Brazilian Air Force has started receiving an updated and redeveloped version of Gripen fighter from Saab of Sweden. The variant which they got is the Gripen JAS-39E, and this is something which was previously referred to as Gripen Next Generation. To be more precise and very quick, the changes from the C series to E series include the adoption of a new power plant, which is the General Electric F414G, an active electronically scanned array radar, and significantly increased internal fuel capacity. The Brazilian Air Force has a requirement for 108 Gripens, which is to be delivered in 3 batches. Now that they are going to get the powerful Gripen fighters, the next thing they are going to concentrate is to integrate these fighters with powerful missiles. As per the defense sources and as per the latest update, Brazil has decided to go for the BrahMos next generation cruise missiles, which are being developed by India and Russia together. The BrahMos is a ramjet supersonic cruise missile that can be launched from submarines, ships, aircraft or land. It is the fastest supersonic cruise missile in the world, and as I mentioned, it is a joint venture between Russia and India, who together have formed the BrahMos Aerospace. Now coming back to the BrahMos NG, which is the BrahMos next generation, which is being considered by Brazilian Air Force. The BrahMos next generation is a mini version based on the existing BrahMos missile, and it will have the same 290 km range, a speed of Mach 3.5, and it will weigh around 1.5 tons, and the length is of 5 meters and 50 centimeters is going to be the diameter. All these characteristics and features makes BrahMos NG 50% lighter and 3 meters shorter than its earlier versions. These BrahMos NG missiles are under development and are expected to be tested by 2024 tentatively. The BrahMos NG will have a lesser RCS, which is radar cross-section, compared to its earlier version, making it harder for the air defense systems to locate and engage the target. The BrahMos NG will have a land, air, a shipborne and a submarine tube-launched variants. Now coming to India's plan with the same BrahMos NG missile, the BrahMos NG has been found to be perfect for Sukhoi Su-30 MKI, the Tejas Mark 1A, Mark II and AMCF fighters. The point to note is the interest of many countries with the BrahMos missiles. Even in one of my previous videos, we discussed the export status of the BrahMos missile to the Philippines. The Department of National Defense of Philippines has mentioned that the program to acquire the medium-range supersonic BrahMos cruise missile is progressing forward, but the challenge which they are facing right now is with the funds. So that was a quick update on Brazil's plan to integrate their Gripen fighters with the world's best cruise missile, which is the BrahMos NG. We also saw a recap of India's plan to integrate the same missiles with their current and future fighters. Thanks for watching. I'll upload another video with a new defense update or an aviation update later. Please do subscribe my channel and hit the bell button next to it, and also feel free to leave a comment in the comment section. Thank you.